The branding components feature allows you to upload all of your design assets, define colors, and styles that you can apply to a specific brand that you are working on. Without uploading again and again, you can keep them organized and accessible all the time. Let's go to the dashboard and create a new branding component for my brand. Clicking the plus icon next to branding components and giving a name and clicking the Create Brand button. Here, you will see the branding component interface which you can upload files, define colors or gradients, and upload fonts and styles. Let's start with uploading my brand logo. For the logo section, you can use JPG, PNG or SVG format files. You can also directly drag and drop from your computer or open file browser and choose files. From the asset files section, you can upload any image or vector files to be used within your projects later. This way, you can store your files once and use inside any project anytime you need. No need to upload files again and again for most used assets in your project workflow. Now jump to Colors section on top. This is the place for defining your brand's color palette. You can assign colors or gradients for your brand and use within your projects. You can use the color picker or enter your color code in this pop-up. One of the most important part of your branding design is definitely typography. With Artboard Studio's branding component feature, you can also upload your font files and define styles to use inside your projects. Now I am uploading font files and customizing heading, subheading and paragraph font styles one by one. You can define font family, color, font size, line height, letter spacing options. You need to confirm the license for the font you upload to Artboard Studio. Now customizing all font styles one by one. Later I will go inside the app and show to use these typography options within the project. Now I uploaded logo files, images, defined the colors and uploaded my fonts. Let's create a new project and use them inside the app. On the left toolbar, go to Assets menu. Find the PR Coffee folder we just created as branding component. As you see, all the assets I have uploaded ready to import inside my canvas. You can now simply drag and drop them into your project. Now adding a new text layer to see how predefined font styles work. Just typing my text and going to the right sidebar text section, opening the 4 dots components menu to choose my predefined font style. You can later change the font size or style as you like. After you draw the rectangle, go to right sidebar fill section and open the components menu. You will see all branding components color here listed. Let's go back to projects dashboard and update some assets for my PR Coffee brand. For example, I want to add another color to my brand. I can always add or remove colors, images or fonts anytime. Instead of removing or adding new files, you can also choose to replace them. It will automatically update the assets menu inside the app. Now I added a new color and replaced an existing image. Let's go inside the project and see what has changed inside the assets menu. Select the shape here and see the fill color components. As you see, the new brown color instantly came here. And the image I just replaced also updated automatically here. Now let's say you want to share this branding component with all assets and style. First, create a theme on your dashboard. You can also assign an image for your theme from the avatar. Now go to Assign Branding Components and choose the branding component folder we created from the list. Now anyone inside this team will have access to this branding components. Let's invite someone to this team and make this user editor. This way, this new member also can update, upload and add new assets like me. Be sure that the person you wanna invite has an Artboard Studio account and change the permission to edit. Otherwise, this user cannot edit the assets. This is how branding components works in Artboard Studio. You can create unlimited branding components and assign to any team to work together with your colleagues. Easily upload images, vector and font files. Define the styles and colors and keep your next design aligned with your brand guideline.